Today's topic's an important one. How to overcome anxiety fast with 8 stress relief affirmations. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and also stay for our motivational quote at the end. Let's get started with affirmation number 1. I am relaxed. I can manage stress. I breathe through anxiety. People feel my calmness. Every day, I stress less. Today, I feel peaceful. I am anxiety-free. I release tension easily. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.